Ever wondered how to set up a Spectrum Wi-Fi profile on your device? Well, fret no more. This tutorial is your guide to a quick and seamless connection. A Spectrum Wi-Fi profile is a nifty feature for Spectrum Internet customers. It allows your device to automatically connect to any Spectrum Wi-Fi hotspot nationwide. Instead of repeatedly entering your username and password, the profile securely saves your Spectrum login details. The result? Quick, convenient access to fast, reliable public Wi-Fi on the go. So, how do you set up this profile? It begins with the My Spectrum app. Available on Android or iOS, this official app from Spectrum is your gateway to your account. Simply open the Google Play Store or App Store, search for My Spectrum, and install it onto your device. Once the app is downloaded, it's time to log in. Open the My Spectrum app, enter your Spectrum username and password, and tap Login. This grants the app access to your account details, paving the way for the profile setup. Next, tap on the profile icon located in the top right corner of the app screen. Navigate to Settings and select Install Wi-Fi Profile. The app will now guide you through the process of connecting to the Spectrum Wi-Fi network. From the list of networks, choose the Spectrum Wi-Fi network you wish to connect to. Enter the wireless password provided by Spectrum to access the hotspot. And that's it. The My Spectrum app saves these network details to your device. So what does this mean for you? No more tedious logging in every time you want to connect. Your device will automatically join Spectrum Wi-Fi hotspots whenever you're in range. It's a secure, hassle-free way to stay connected. To sum it up, installing a Spectrum Wi-Fi profile is a one-time process that takes merely a minute. It ensures seamless access to public Wi-Fi, letting you enjoy fast Spectrum connections across the country on the go. And that concludes this tutorial on setting up your Spectrum Wi-Fi profile. Remember, the world is at your fingertips when you stay connected. Thank you for tuning in.